Hi and welcome back. This is Doug with Ultimate Lighting Solutions in Houston, Texas. Going to give a quick product demonstration for the Fusion GEO Series Arrow Stick. You may have seen this displayed on some of the websites. There's been a lot of talk about it. We've got a couple of them in for a project that we have coming up for a customer. So we figured we'd go ahead and give a quick product demonstration prior to the installation. So the GEO Series, if you're not aware, is similar to the Fusion in size, dimensions, everything else, functionality. However, there are a few quick differences that I want to point out. Number one is going to be the colored lenses. You can tell that this is an amber arrow stick, so we've got the amber lenses. We've got 3 LEDs per module instead of the 6 like we would have in the Fusion series. And then we're limited to a 60-degree optic, which is really potent for this light head. But again, that is a difference between the Fusion series, where we're dealing with the choice of 40-degree optic or 180-degree optic. So this is a good mixture of the both of those, and it does really well. One of the neat things about this bar is the molded corners that allow essentially a 200 light stick, and an 800 light stick to be joined. It's a real rugged ABS designed plastic. The light heads are bolted in there pretty nicely. They're nice and tight. You get a couple of mounting holes for the application, and then we also do get furnished 4 2-inch long 1022 hardware with a washer and locking bolts. So we'll turn it on here in just a second and give you a quick demonstration of the bar as well as the light output. Okay, so we've powered up the Feniex GEO Series Arrow board. And again, this is the equivalent of having an 800 run across the middle and then 2 200s making up the remainder of the arrow. Just to reiterate, the Fusion GEO Series is 3 LEDs per light head versus the 6 LED light per light head in the Fusion series, and then we're dealing with colored lenses and 60-degree optics. So we've applied power, we've hit the brown trigger wire, and again, by tapping the yellow wire to the power source, we're going to change the flash pattern just like we would with any of the other Feniex products in this product line. So light output is pretty tremendous. I mean, obviously it's going to be degraded a little bit with the video of the camera, but in person it's pretty spectacular. So great light output, and in my opinion, the amber lenses really show the impact of the amber LEDs. So when we apply gray for this video, we're going to get a left arrow, and you can mount this bar really in either direction. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have an upside down. The only significance is going to be where the cord comes out of, and whether you want it on the driver's side or the passenger side of the vehicle, because again, using the gray or the blue trigger wire, it doesn't know left or right. It's whatever you set it to. So this is going to be the right, showing just a little bit variation of the flash pattern, because you can also, as you know, set the arrow in a different pattern, left, right, and center from the actual flash module. So this is going to do center out. Let me get this plugged in real quick, and then we'll back up and take a look at it from a short distance here. So again, this is the GEO series from Feniex. This is the Arrow board. It retails for $399. It's available on our website at www.ultimatelightingsolutions.net. Be sure to check us out on Facebook to watch the build. We've got 2 of these coming up on an install within the week. We'll be sure to post those as well. And if you have any questions about this product, something similar you've seen, you can always email at ulsolutions@hotmail.com. Thanks for stopping by. This is Doug.